In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text font on Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your emails look just the way you want. Start by opening your web browser. Head to Yahoo Mail by typing the site into the address bar. In the upper right corner of the page, look for the sign in button and click it. If you're shown your existing Yahoo Mail account, select it to continue. If not, enter your login details and proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts and give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. Once you're signed in and see your mailbox, go to the upper right and click your profile or avatar. If you see an option for mail there, click it to make sure you're in the full mail view. Now find the settings gear in the upper right and click it. A quick panel opens. Choose More Settings to access the full list of options. On the left side, click Writing an Email. This is where you control how your messages look when you compose them. Scroll down until you reach the section for changing the default fonts and font. You'll see options that affect the appearance of your outgoing messages. Click Modern to select that style. This is one of the available font presets in Yahoo Mail and gives your emails a clean, contemporary look. If you want to explore further, scroll through the list to preview other fonts. When you see one you prefer, click the font to apply the change. A few tips as you adjust these settings. The changes you make here affect the default look for new emails you compose, including replies and forwards. The preview updates immediately in the settings panel, so you can see how your text will appear before you start writing. Typically, Yahoo saves these settings automatically, so there's no extra save button to hunt for. If you're testing and don't notice the new font in a message you had open earlier, start a fresh email to see your new default. And remember, even after setting a default font, you can still override it on a per message basis using the formatting toolbar in the Compose window. That's it. Open your browser, go to Yahoo Mail, sign in, navigate to Settings, choose More Settings, select Writing an Email, scroll to the font options, click Modern, browse the list, and click the font you want. With these simple steps, your Yahoo Mail will reflect your style every time you hit Compose.